Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla.
Current, sir.
Where you kill the man for? Why you kill the man?
I'm afraid that he attack me at self-defense and me and him with the knife. I wrap up the knife.
When you kill him?
Yes, sir. He attacked me. One youth they did when you Marcus. I'm a carry bang up on him back.
If you say you're self-defense, so why you go?
So why you run since I self-defense? Where you hide for?
Where you hide for?
Come and know they stay, they will tell lie for me.
Man, are you kill you want troublemaker, you have a problem.
No, sir, me
Alright, why you and the man in a
troublemaker.
how come you and the man in an argument?
He ma cut down one tree for a long time and he tell me say me go volunteer for the work. And me see my do work. And a true thing you know.
And you see me do work and what?
I'm come there and he see me do work and he say glad to see me come here working.
The man not saying the man say him nah again a work.
He not tell me that officer, he never tell me that officer. Do not tell me that officer. Not telling any
The man not tell us
answer.
say he nah again a work.
He not tell me that and me first he say I give the work the truth. He not tell me that the truth.
When you say nah, you know work.
He not tell me that.
When tell you say?
He tell me say he want to see me long time to do the work. See? The truth.
See you have a wicked blood clot
I know
boy.
wicked,
You not tell the man woman say you kill him. You not see the man woman and tell her say you kill her man.
Never tell him that, officer. Never tell him that.
So you kill him for?
Him say he go hold me and give me a good ass when he run me down the cutlass. Him say he go give me a good ass when he run me go for that. You're not a bad youth.
One and a body out. The whole of the time I have to tell us stop fuck around people.
Only for time me have to tell us me don't whine and a damage. Don't whine and a wrong. Officer.
And you come kill the good man.
You never expect saying you not get
Which part you stab him?
all my vex about it.
Which part you stab him?
Never expect.
Right, that's you stab him.
Belly.
What kind of knife you use?
One knife for me have one knife for like one short board knife like. But me never expect.
How much time you stab him?
I mean if you want to stab him for earth in need, I will tell you honestly truth, officer. But too anger and too run me down the thing cutlass. I mean I say you want to kill me. That's why. Honestly.
If you dead, if you blood clot dead, yo, if you dead. Lucky, you know, say I never come around here, you know.
I tell you honestly truth, say you
Blood clot dead, yo.
Run me down the cutlass, elder.
Viewers and subscribers, what I just see a while ago is a man being detained, right? And according to the person holding the camera, or the person that they hear talking, I should say, it seems to me like this man is being detained for a murder that has been committed. Now, this man is saying that he has done it in self-defense, right? Because if you listen closely, he said that the man chased him with a machete. Now, the person that is holding the camera, or the person that is talking in the background, which is considered to be a police officer, social media have a problem with what that person have said to the man that is being detained right about now, you see me? And social media considered it as a threat, you see it? And they are saying that as a police officer, that is not the way the law is supposed to be doing their job. You get what I'm saying to you? And social media also have a problem, or maybe like a few problems, you know, because some people is saying true or false to what the man that has been detained is saying. Some of the people on social media said that this man probably is telling the truth, and some people on social media is saying that this man looks guilty. So that is where I bring this to you, my viewers and subscribers, for you to take a look at this and tell me what you really think about it. Is it? So this is where I'm going to leave you with this right about now, and as always, you know that I only bring to you what's hot on social media, keep you up to date and posted. So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?